Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you can create server-side Dart application when you are very familiar with Java Spring MVC. But if you are not familiar with Java MVC, it doesn't matter. Just very easy to create a server-side Dart application. So first of all, what we need to do is create a for server. After that, I need to activate some logging. And then we need to start our server. Next step is we can easily make our controllers part of our application. And how do we do that? We do that by putting the part keyword, and then here at our home controller we have something like part of hello. So let me grab some code, some Java code from Spring MVC. This is a Spring MVC application, so we're going to copy and paste it. And we are going to use it here in our home controller. Then you will see that some things are different from Java to Dart. For example, the public and private keywords, we need to remove them. When you want to put something private, you need to put underscore before the name of the variable. We also need to change the equal signs here. It's in Dart this kind of code. And then I need to change this here, this. It's very easy Dart syntax. Dart doesn't know date time, so we need to date, so we need to change it to date time. And then we can here just change the date format. We need to use date formats like this. And we need to pass the locale. Okay. Logger factory is also not known in Dart, so we need to instantiate a new logger. Okay. Now everything is okay. Then here I need to initialize all the date formats. Otherwise he will complain that he cannot format that date. And then you will see here in the controller we put something on a model. That's how it works in Java Spring MVC, and that's also how it works in Dart Force. So here in our home.html we added a line, this is the server time. And then, because in Dart Force uses mustache under the hood, you can use the mustache syntax to get the model that has been set on the server. Okay, let's view this already. Nice. Then, if we refresh, we'll see here, this is the server time. Great. Next thing that I want to show you is it's also very easy to load YAML files and to use them in the controllers. So we're going to load the YAML pubspec YAML into our application. pubspec.yaml. Nice. So what we can do now is look at the pubspec, and then we see here description. Now we want this description being displayed at our page. So how can we do that? We can do that by defining here a variable description, and then here with add value. Now we are going to inject the YAML value into description. And then here we can do model.add attribute description with a certain value. And then we need to change our template a little bit. We can put here an extra line. We need to stop and start our server again to see the changes. Oh, nice. Now I need to refresh it. And then you see here a sample web application. If I now change this to a nice tutorial. Let me stop and start my server again. You will see here a nice tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful to create your awesome Dart